Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we fuse tech, learning, and opportunity. If you're a student in Africa, Google just dropped a massive offer, Gemini Pro for free for a whole year. And yes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to claim it. But sure not to skip any part, as I will show you how to cancel the subscription before it renews so you don't get charged later. Let's dive in. Gemini Pro is Google's most advanced AI assistant, and with the student plan, you get unlimited chats with Gemini 2.5 Pro, deep research for instant cited reports, Notebook LM, a must-have for understanding complex topics, View 3.1 to turn text into dynamic videos, Nano Bananas for image generation, and 2 terabytes of cloud storage for your files. This offer is open to university students over 18 years old in 6 African countries: Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Rwanda, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. All you need is a valid university email to sign up. Here's how to claim your free Gemini Pro plan. Go over to your browser and search for gemini.google/students. Once you're on the web page, you click on the Get Offer button. Remember, this offer ends by the 9th of December 2025. So you sign in with your Google account, and the next thing you have to do is to verify your student status. You need to fill in the country where your university is, the name of your school, and your personal details. And then the Verify Student button will be activated, and you click on it. You'll be redirected to your university portal where you have to sign up with your school's email and password. Here's where you need to add a payment method to access this Gemini Pro as a student. Note that you won't be charged for the first 1 year because it's free. So you have to choose your preferred method of payment. For me, I'll be using a card payment method. So go ahead to add my card details and save. So as you can see, starting from today, I am on a free trial for 12 months, so I won't be charged. But once it expires as at 22nd of October 2026 next year, I'll be charged for the next subscription. So you can always cancel your subscription anytime. And if you forget to cancel it, Google will always send you a reminder 7 days before your subscription expires, so you make sure you cancel. So after that, I'm going to be clicking on the subscribe button, and yay! I've unlocked Gemini Pro with all premium benefits for 12 months completely free. So I'm going to click on the Go to Gemini button to get on the Gemini interface. And you can see you can use Gemini for a number of things, from deep research to creating images to creating videos from text. And it's like having a personal tutor, researcher, and content creator all in one. To avoid being charged after the free trial ends, click on the settings icon at the bottom left of the Gemini page. Then you click on Manage Subscription. It will take you to this Google One settings page. Then you click on Cancel Membership and cancel. You'll be redirected to your Google Play payment and subscription page, where you'll see all your active subscription, and you'll see the Google One subscription. So you click on Manage, then you can then cancel the subscription. Note, even after cancellation, you still have access to the free Gemini Pro till the end of the year. Remember, this student offer ends December 9, 2025. So don't wait. Share this with a student in one of the eligible countries, and let's build Africa's AI future together. Subscribe for more AI tips and drop a comment telling me which Gemini Pro feature you would want a tutorial next. Like this video if it helps, and subscribe for more free AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.